It seems that the more places I see and experience, the bigger I realize the world to be. The more I become aware of, the more I realize how many places I have still to go, how much more there is to learn. This winter, my destination was at the deepest south of Kaptai and Rangamati. Round me, the trees stir their leaves, the light flows from their branches. And they call again, it's simple, they say. And you too have come into the world to do this, to go easy, to be filled with light and to shine. Our destination was through long blue water lakes inside the mountains and small islands. I'm so distant from hope of myself, in which I had goodness,